Hi, I am Ganesh. Today I am going to talk about Safety Toolbox Talk and what it should contain. A Safety Toolbox Talk, also known as a safety meeting or toolbox meeting, is a brief interactive discussion held within a work team or group to address specific safety topics or concerns. Its purpose is to promote safety awareness, share information, reinforce safe work practices, and encourage open communication regarding safety issues. The Toolbox Talk is typically conducted before the start of a work shift or task. Here's what a Safety Toolbox Talk should generally contain. Topic Introduction. Begin the Toolbox Talk by introducing the specific safety topic you will be discussing. This could be related to a recent incident, a specific hazard, a new safety procedure, or any other relevant safety concern. Relevance. Explain why the topic is important and how it relates to the work being performed. Emphasize the potential risks or consequences associated with not following proper safety practices. Discussion points. Present key points related to the safety topic, focusing on specific actions or behaviors that can mitigate risks. Provide practical examples, real-life scenarios, or case studies to help illustrate the importance of the topic. Procedures and controls. Discuss the procedures, protocols, or controls in place to address the safety issue. This could include explaining the correct use of personal protective equipment, PPE, emergency response procedures, or safe work practices to follow. Demonstration. If applicable, demonstrate the correct use of tools or equipment, or show how to perform a task safely. Use visual aids or props to enhance understanding and engagement. Reinforcement of safety rules. Remind the team of the existing safety rules and policies in place. Emphasize the importance of adhering to these rules and highlight any recent updates or changes. Reporting mechanisms. Inform the team about the reporting mechanisms for safety concerns or near-miss incidents. Encourage them to report hazards, incidents, or any potential safety issues promptly to the appropriate channels. Remember, Toolbox Talks should be concise, engaging, and interactive. Encourage active participation, listen to the team's input, and create an environment where everyone feels comfortable discussing safety concerns. By consistently conducting Toolbox Talks, you can foster a culture of safety and enhance awareness among the team members.